In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to choose the right product to make massive commissions using this brand new opportunity, brand new affiliate network called Offerlab. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can choose the right product to promote, how to get your affiliate links, and then how to start driving traffic instantly so you can start making money online. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time and you're interested in learning how to make money online, create a successful internet business, then smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. If you have any kind of question, just leave a comment and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. And also, if you want to learn how I make passive income online, how my training has helped thousands of people become multiple 5 figures and 6 figures, then check out the links in the description box below this video. Check out the links in the comment section box that's pinned. So let's dive into this video and let me show you how to choose a product, how to create your funnels, and how to start driving traffic. Okay, so I'm in the Offerlab marketplace. Now, if you don't know what Offerlab is a marketplace network for affiliates to come and promote and sell the products. If you still haven't joined Offerlab, there's a link popping up right on the screen right now. You can join for free, create your free account. Once you have joined, you want to go to the marketplace and then you're going to find all these different type of products. Okay, so if you want to promote any type of product, you could go into e-commerce, digital goods, courses and coaching and experience. I'm more into digital goods. Okay, that's what I'm going to choose. That's what I'm going to promote. But if you have a specific product in your mind, you could put a search here and just type it in. So for instance, I'm going to search something like I would like to promote a product related to Clickbank. See if I could find something which I can promote related to Clickbank. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to type in Clickbank. And yes, I just found a product. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. All right, and I could see this looks like a very good product to me. Okay, a Clickbank. Okay, 60% commission. How much is the product? It's giving me all the details about this product. And if I come down, okay, the product is paying out commissions up to $178.20. All right. So if I want to promote this product, I'm just going to come here and I'm going to click on promote and it's going to give me the option to promote. But by the way, down here, you can see here, it says my offer. Why? Because this is my own product. Wow, this is my own product. Obviously, I can't promote my own product, but I'm just giving you a hint that if you're interested in promoting a Clickbank product, here's a Clickbank product, and I'm paying 60% commission, $178.20 straight into your bank account. All right, so let's just go back and let me choose a quick product here to promote. So I'm going to go into digital goods and I'm going to find a quick product. So I could see here there are so many products down here. Okay, but I'm most likely going to promote a product that I have already chosen. So I'm going to go to sell. Okay, I'm going to go to, and I'm going to choose this product. Okay, this is the product I want to promote because I've already chosen this product, and it's all about Freedom Breakthrough 3.0. It's a high ticket product. Anyway, it's charging about $1,997. I'm going to scroll down, and if I click on this product, okay, it's going to explain what this product is all about, how this product can help me, okay, and how this product is going to be one of the best products for myself. Okay, so let's get into this. The step-by-step system to escape 95 bill. How much commission I'm going to make? I'm going to make $798.80. I think that's about 50% commission, I guess. Nope, it's 40% commission. Okay, no problem. I want to promote this product, so what do I have to do? First of all, I want to preview the sales page, and I've already done that. I'm going to do it again. Okay, so it looks like a very good product to me. Everything's looking fine and good and great. So I'm going to go for this product. Yes, I'm going to promote this product. Okay, so if I want to promote this product, the first thing I need to do is click on start promoting. Now, there's a unique feature in Offerlab that no affiliate networks offers. And what is that? Watch this. Check this out. When I clicked on I want to promote this product, instead of giving me the affiliate link, it's telling me to build a funnel. All right, and check this out. If I scroll down, all right, check this out. Add order bump. Instantly boost this offer's value with an irresistible offer. Quick upsell at checkout. And if I click on this, it's bringing up my 2 courses. Okay, all right. which if you're interested in promoting, you can promote, request approval, and then approve you to promote my products. I pay very good commissions. Okay, so I just have to choose this, and what will happen is when I drive traffic to this funnel, instantly they're gonna be some upsells, and that upsell is going to be my product, and I could choose any product I want. Then down here, checkout, share a bonus message with the shoppers on checkout, add another offer. I could add another offer, and I could add an extra offer that I'm already approved of. So I'm promoting Freedom Breakthrough 3.0. Let me just add this offer. Boom. Okay, now what's going to happen is when a person purchases this product, first of all, let's just do this. Let's just add my offer down here as well. Okay, so I am going to add my offer down here, and there you go. Boom, that's done. And then down here, I'm going to add another affiliate offer 2, and I could leave some messages. Share why visitors will love leave your 9 to 5 challenge like you do. Okay, I could leave a message here. I could add another offer, and I could keep on adding offer after offer after offer, probably up to about 3 to 5 offers. So instantly when I'm promoting this product, someone purchases this product, okay, instantly he's going to be offered with this product as well, which is my own course. Okay, Clickbank Profit System. And then if he purchases this product, he's going to be offered with another offer down here. I am creating these offers. This is the unique feature that Offerlab is offering, and Clickbank and other marketplaces do not offer. All right, and then once I'm happy with everything, I could leave a message here why visitors will love it. I might want to leave a message because that will give a hint, and also tell the visitor that why you need to purchase this product. I might want to leave some bonuses that if you do purchase the top product down here, what you're going to get. Okay, but I'm going to leave it there just for now. All right, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on publish. Okay, so when I click on publish, guess what? Watch what happens. Boom, look what happened. Where's my affiliate link? It's not giving me my affiliate link. You know why? Here's another unique feature. When you decide to promote a product, you need to connect your Stripe account. It's free to join Stripe account with Offerlab. You know why? Because the commissions are paid directly into your Stripe account. Okay? As an affiliate, you need to have your Stripe account. Okay? So you need to connect that. Without connecting that, you can't be approved to sell a product. You can't be approved to promote an affiliate offer. So what you need to do is you need to come here and enter all the information regarding your payment method, how you want to get paid, etc. And when you do that, instantly you are approved to promote, and you're going to get your affiliate link, and you're going to start driving traffic to that affiliate link, which is going to take you to a page just like this. Okay. All right. So this is a unique feature because they will pay you your commissions into your Stripe account. So you need to connect that, and this is how you get paid. Stripe account, and then within your Stripe account you can connect your bank account, and then from there you could just withdraw all the money and etc. Okay, so now before I get my affiliate link up, because I've already done that on another page, I'm just going to skip this part. It's very easy. It explains everything what you need to do. Just click on edit, then edit, then edit. And the reason it's telling me to do edit, 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 because I've already done it on another page. All right, but in your case, it will tell you to sign up for Stripe if you don't have a Stripe account, to connect it with your Offerlab account. All right, so that's how it works. Now let's get into this. Once I get my affiliate link, I'm going to start promoting. Now I have two options. Number one, I could promote this direct sales page, which I don't want to do. I want to create a landing page just like this. Okay, a landing page that looks a bit like this. Now this is a different type of landing page. It's a page with that gives a bit more information. People come, read here, they enter the email address here, and they click say send me the blueprint now. And this is where it gets very, very exciting. When a person clicks send me the blueprint now, this is where you're going to redirect them to this offer. All right, most people, in fact 95% plus people, will not buy. That's why we need to have our email follow-ups, email swipes into place, so it starts kicking in and you start making money. All right, so how do you create these type of landing pages? Very simple. You want to go to a website called system.io. It's free. When you go here, create your free account, and you can start creating landing pages just like this. Now I have a complete tutorial on this, so I'm not going to cover all this in this video, because if I do, this video is going to get too long, so I don't want to cover that. I've already covered all of this on how to create this landing pages and everything with this free tool and a free software. You can go and watch that video complete, and it's a complete tutorial with answering the questions, etc. Okay, so let's get into the traffic part. Now it's time to drive traffic, start making some bucks. Yeah, start making some bucks. So what we need to do now is we need to start drive some traffic. But before I drive traffic, okay, let's just get into the traffic part. Okay, so we need to drive some traffic. So first of all, you need to come to this network. Now it's free to join this network. If you haven't joined, here's a link popping up right on the screen. Okay, join this network right now, because I'm going to give you some of the best people on this traffic network that you will be able to start driving traffic, start making some sales. One of my friends made $6,000 in Clickbank commissions buying traffic from one of the guys on this network. Okay, so this traffic network is an instant traffic network that you can start buying traffic, start getting results, and start making a lot of money. And a lot of people have been on this network for years, over 5 years, 6 years. Why? There's a reason, because there is money to be made. So if you haven't joined this network, here's a link popping up. Go to this website address right now, join this network. Okay, it's free to join. It's not going to cost you anything. Just join. And after you join, you're going to get a personal message from me where you will be able to ask me any question. You could send me your landing pages. You could do anything. And for free, absolutely free of charge, I will review your landing page and I will give you the best suggestion and best advice on the changes that you need to make. Okay. So first of all, what you need to do, once you have joined this free network, you need to come to solo deals, email traffic, or buy solos, and then you're going to just select all of this by filters. Visitors 300, got sales, let's just put that to like 30%. Okay, and then sales, yes, in the marketing niche, that's what we want. And then it's going to spill out all this. Okay, so you could see that this guy is the guy who has the cheapest traffic. Now you don't want to go for the cheapest traffic, okay? Just because it's cheap, you want to try and get the quality traffic. We're not looking for the price, we're looking for quality traffic. Now that could be cheap, that could be expensive. We don't know. What we're going to see right now is we are going to click this person, and we are going to first see that what he has to offer. So everything is explained. When you hover your mouse down here, it explains everything what this guy is all about. All right, so we could see the buyer percentage of people who reported buy is 56%, 26% repeated customers. So if you're happy, you want to come down, okay, and you want to start with 300 clicks. Okay, and remember, you're not going to make money instantly. You're going to have 7 days to 14 days email follow-ups. That's going to kick in. Once those email follow-ups have kicked in, then you want to go out there and you want to check your results. So let's come back here, 300 clicks. If you made money, then you want to go for 500 clicks. If you made money, you want to go for 750 clicks. If you made money, you want to go for 1,000 clicks. If you made money, you want to go for 2,000 clicks. If you made money, you want to go for 3,000 clicks. This is how you scale your business, right? And then you want to do prime filter. You want to do only top tier. And the reason you want to do that is because you want quality traffic. So you could see here, if I purchase traffic now, I'm going to start getting traffic from 11 October, which is just 2 days away, right? Now, before purchasing any kind of traffic, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and you want to look for a couple of things here, okay? So you want to look for this sign here, okay? Got sales. So you want to look for minimum 5 people reporting got sales in the last 30 days, okay? So I could see I found 2, all right, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so yes. Just yesterday, 2 people reported they got sales. Okay. Alright, so this guy seems like he's got some very good traffic. Okay, I could see. So this is going to be one of the best guys. So what I will do, I will purchase traffic from this guy, because I could see that when I come to the top, I could see the buy percentage is above 25%, which I look for. The higher number, the better. Repeated customer is 26%. I go for 10% plus, okay, and then if I scroll down, I could see that he's got a lot of experience, he's got premium traffic according to what he's saying, and I could see that the got sale notification is 5, which is my criteria, from 5 different people in the last 30 days. So if I want to buy traffic, I'll come from here, I'll just select 300 visitors. That's how I start off, okay? Now, remember, even if you don't make any sales or any money, that does not mean that this traffic is not good. It could be the offer, it could be your email swipe, it could be so many other reasons. Still, if you don't make any money, you haven't wasted a single dime. You know why? You're building a list, my friend. You're getting subscribers and you're building a list of subscribers, which means potentially you're going to make money overall, because of that list you will able to promote different opportunities and different products, and at the end result you will always make money. You understand? So this is how this business works. A lot of people expect to make money with traffic. If it doesn't work, either they give up, they start blaming, they start complaining, and they start moving on. It doesn't work like that. This is a business. You're building a list. The focus is list building. Get your subscriber list from 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. The higher the number, the better. And that's how you're going to make money. All the top internet gurus are making millions and millions of dollars. 95% of all those money is coming because of the email list that they have built using these type of traffic sources. Okay, so I'm giving you the traffic source to build a list very fast, very quickly, and you want to focus on list building. Keep on doing it over and over again and get to a certain target. For instance, 50,000 subscribers quick as possible, 100,000 subscribers quick as possible, because once you have that amount of subscribers, you have a traffic money machine right in your hands that you can print your own paycheck, and you can win contests and competitions just like I did in the past with big companies. Okay, all thanks to my list. So that's what I'm giving you here. So start doing it, start taking action. And if you still haven't joined this free traffic network, link popping up right now, go to this link, create your free account with this network, and start going through these and start making money. Now, if you don't make money, then you want to continue to do your search and continue to find someone. You just don't want to give up. You want to keep on doing it, okay? Keep on doing it. But remember, still you're not wasting money, because the criteria you have chosen here, and according to the 5 sale, that just shows that this person has a very good traffic and you can build a very good subscriber list. And if you have a good subscriber list, eventually you're going to make a lot of money.